Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Blendie Blender Bottle is probably one of the most versatile and convenient kitchen gadgets you can own, designed to make your life easier whether you're whipping up a quick smoothie on the go, mixing protein shakes after a workout, or even preparing baby food. This innovative bottle combines the functionality of a high-performance blender with the portability of a travel mug, allowing you to blend your ingredients directly in the bottle and then take your creation with you wherever you need to go. Its sleek design and powerful motor ensure smooth, lump-free results every time, making healthy eating and convenient meal prep more accessible than ever before. Number 5. Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender QB3001SS. Introducing the Ninja Fit, a powerful 700-watt personal blender designed for your busy lifestyle. It crushes ice and pulverizes frozen ingredients for delicious drinks. Unlock hidden vitamins and nutrients from whole fruits and vegetables with its nutrient extraction technology. It blends even the parts you'd normally discard. This compact blender is perfect for making smoothies, shakes, and more. Its intuitive controls make it incredibly easy to use for everyday blending needs. Blend your creations directly in the 16 ounces cups, attach the spout lid, and take your healthy drinks anywhere. It's the ultimate portable solution. Cleanup is a breeze as all parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe. This blender is designed to fit seamlessly into your kitchen and your life. Get started right away with the included 50-recipe inspiration guide. Discover delicious ideas for smoothies, protein shakes, sauces, and frozen drinks. What we like. This blender boasts a powerful 700-watt motor, perfect for crushing ice and frozen ingredients. If you're looking for resort-like frozen drinks and smoothies at home, this is your go-to. Its compact design also makes it ideal for small kitchens or for those who want a dedicated personal blender without taking up much counter space. What people say. It pulses to break up ice and mix it well. They come out creamier than our previous unit. It is compact, the cups are really nice, the cleanup is easy, and it crushes ice and frozen fruit great. It blends frozen fruit really well and comes out smooth as long as you don't overfill it and you add enough liquid. The single-serve size is perfect because it makes one good cup at a time, and cleanup is easy since you blend right in the cup and just rinse it out after. Number 4. VOLTRX Vortexboost Electric Protein Shaker Bottle. Experience superior mixing with our premium electric shaker bottle. Crafted from durable, BPA-free Tri-10 material, it's safe for everyday use and built to last. Make a statement with its eye-catching design and generous 24-ounce capacity. It's the ideal companion to help you reach your fitness goals. Enjoy incredible convenience with a battery that lasts up to a month on a single 2-hour charge. Achieve perfect consistency with its powerful motor. Cleaning is a breeze. Just add water and detergent, power it on, and it's sparkling clean. The outer casing is also washable. Your purchase includes the rechargeable shaker bottle, a USB charging cable, and our commitment to quality with a 1-year assurance and excellent customer service. What we like. This electric shaker bottle is made from durable, BPA-free Tri-10 material and offers an impressive month of use on a single 2-hour charge. If you're a fitness enthusiast who needs a reliable way to mix protein shakes without hassle, this is an excellent choice. Its self-cleaning function also means less time spent on cleanup after your workout. What people say. It mixes thick protein powders with ease. The motor is strong and the battery lasts a while between charges. No more clumps of powder left in the bottle. Seals well, no spills. The mixing really does work super well when mixing are their instructions. The design of this cup really is clever and effective. Number 3. OTPEIR Portable Blender. Introducing the OTPEIR Portable Blender, designed for your active lifestyle. Its powerful motor and 4 durable stainless steel blades effortlessly break down ingredients, preserving essential dietary fiber. This compact blender easily transforms into a travel cup with the included lid. It's lightweight and holds 350 milliliters, making it ideal for your commute, office, or any adventure. Enjoy simple, one-button operation. Cleaning is a breeze as it can be opened from both the top and bottom. Just double-click to start and shake for optimal mixing. Crafted from food-grade, non-toxic materials, it utilizes advanced CS+C technology for superior blending. Safety is paramount, with a smart protection device that prevents operation if not properly assembled. Experience the convenience of fresh shakes and smoothies wherever you are. This portable blender is your perfect solution for healthy hydration on the move. What we like. Featuring a 4-blade design and a travel lid for on-the-go convenience, this portable blender is designed for performance and safety. If you need a compact blender that can handle fruits and vegetables effectively and can be easily carried as a water bottle, this is a great option. Its safety lock ensures it won't operate unless properly assembled, making it ideal for busy individuals or students. What people say. It's super convenient and hassles-free. Just a little FYI, the blender won't work unless the cup is screwed on the way it should be. This product is great for on-the-go smoothies. A must-have, amazing as long as you cut your fruits in small pieces. Bring it to work and make my smoothies every day. Number 2. NexaEase Portable Blender. Experience powerful blending with our portable blender. Its robust motor and sharp blades crush ice and frozen fruits in just 30 seconds, delivering perfect smoothies every time. Easily create a variety of textures with 2 modes. Use blend mode for smooth drinks or pulse mode for tougher ingredients like frozen fruits and nuts. This lightweight travel blender is perfect for your active lifestyle. With its sports bottle design and included accessories, you can blend and enjoy your drinks wherever you go. Keep your drinks perfectly chilled for hours with the included insulated sleeve. It also protects your blender from bumps and scratches. Made from safe, eco-friendly materials, this stylish blender is the perfect gift for anyone. It comes with everything you need for convenient blending on the go. What we like. With a powerful 150W motor and versatile blend pulse modes, this blender delivers smooth results in just 30 seconds. If you prioritize speed and convenience for your daily smoothies or shakes, especially during travel or workouts, this is a fantastic choice. The included insulated sleeve also keeps your drinks perfectly chilled for hours, adding extra value for active lifestyles. What people say. Perfect for preparing smoothies, shakes, or protein mixes in seconds, whether at home, at work, or while traveling. It includes an insulated sleeve that keeps your drink at the right temperature and makes it easy to hold on the go. The travel lid is completely leak-proof, preventing spills. It's simple to clean, super convenient, and the power this bad boy has is no joke, I tell you. It has a great clean design that comes with a storage case. Number 1. TastLi Portable Blender. Introducing the TastLi Portable Blender, your perfect companion for delicious smoothies and shakes on the go. Enjoy fresh blends wherever life takes you. Don't let its size fool you. This compact blender packs a powerful punch with its high-speed motor and 3D blades, effortlessly crushing ice and frozen fruits in just 30 seconds. Designed with your safety in mind, it features magnetic induction, automatic stop, and a non-slip base. Made with BPA-free, food-grade materials, you can blend with confidence. Stay powered up with convenient USB recharging. A quick 3-hour charge provides up to 15 blends, perfect for busy days and outdoor adventures. Weighing only 1 pound and with a 13-ounce capacity, it's incredibly lightweight and easy to carry. Take it to the gym, office, or on your next camping trip. Operating it is as simple as a double click. Plus, cleaning is a breeze with its self-cleaning mode. Just add water and blend. From crushing ice and frozen fruits to mixing protein shakes, this versatile blender handles it all. Enjoy silky smooth results in seconds, every time. What we like. This portable blender features a strong 7.4V motor and is USB rechargeable, offering up to 15 uses on a full charge. If you value portability and a powerful blend for smoothies, juices, or protein shakes while traveling, camping, or at the office, this is an excellent companion. Its lightweight design and safety features make it a reliable choice for fresh drinks anywhere. What people say. The Blendie Blender Bottle has a powerful motor that blends smoothies in seconds. Its sleek design looks great on the countertop and is easy to clean. The bottle is made of durable, BPA-free plastic, ensuring safe and long-lasting use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.